What's up, guys? It is Sunday, September 22nd. I'm technically calling this opening day for me because this is really the first time I've been out all year. So we're in here in a spot. I don't know, it's early. I don't have too much confidence in it, but we do have a really nice, well, he's a 9-pointer this year, but he's been an 8-pointer in the past. We call him the grade 8. He likes this area. I think I'm in his core area, so we'll see what happens. I mean, you never know what can happen when you're in the woods. That doe that you guys seen, there's another doe with 2 little fawns that actually still had spots. So I would have been drooling over that, but if that's not a welcome to the 2024 non-typical deer tour, then I don't know what is. Well, guys, as you can see, I'm wearing orange. So it is the youth season here in Minnesota this weekend, so gotta join the Orange Army for a little bit, just for this weekend. But I just kinda got settled in the tree. Super warm. Wind's not too bad here, but it's been really windy all day. We had a cold front come in earlier this week, but it's warmed back up now. But I don't know, we got Jack out here. You guys met Jack last year, my deer video, but he's been hunting. He hunted yesterday and today, so if he shoots one, we'll hopefully get a nice little interview from him. But yeah, we'll sit out here and we'll see what happens. in the field right across from the spot, so I decided to come here today. It's got a good wind for it. We'll see what goes on. I know there's deer in the area. Deer moving. I seen 2 on the way trying to drive down, but it's only gonna be like a 2-hour sit, but it's better than nothing. You know, when you work full time, you don't got options. You gotta make do with what you got, so we're gonna head in here and see what happens. I'm trying something a little different today. I'm not in the stand, I'm on the ground. I'm not too confident in my setup, but I don't know, it's 2:45 and I just got set up and already got a doe and a fawn run right past me. Didn't see me at all, so just out of little sticks. But we'll see how it goes. I seen this once in the hunting public, so I'm gonna try it. It worked for them, it better work for me too. We're gonna get spot with a good wind, so hopefully the old bush camping method will pay off. We'll see.
Hey man. What? It's gritty. Really? Dead ass. Holy shit. He was right there. He was right there.
That's the first time I've ever seen that.
Imagine if you would have waited 30 minutes. Imagine you waited 30 minutes. I mean, good thing I was recording.
You recorded?
Yeah.
Yeah, I just looked on. I just seen a deer. And then I see him go up here. It's like, as soon as I seen him, I was like, it's him.
Let's point at the stand real quick.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, it is Halloween. It is October 31st. It's hard to believe that it's already Halloween. This fall's been going by pretty fast. This is my first time coming down since we had that encounter with the grade 8 last weekend. That crazy encounter. It's cold. It's windy. Wind should die down. It's like misting. It's kind of a shitty day if you like to be outside, but it's not a bad day if you like to be in the deer woods. It's 12:41 right now. I'm headed down. Gonna hunt the afternoon, hunt all day tomorrow. On Saturday, do all that jazz. Alright guys, I'm heading in the stand on Halloween. I don't know if it gets much better than this. They said the rain was supposed to stop, but it's still kind of sprinkling, which kind of sucks, but it's cold. The wind died down a little bit, which is nice. I'll hop up in the stand and get set up and get ready to go. Alright guys, we're up in the stand. Pretty much right after I finished that last little interview thing. see how it goes. Well, to say I feel pretty sick right now is an understatement. That arrow deflected pretty good. I don't know. I don't really know what to say, to be honest. I'm just sick. Well, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, I'm in the car, not in the woods. It is gun opener in Minnesota today, and I just got a call that the Great 8 is down. The Great 8 is a deer I've been targeting. I've been trying. Well, I should say we have been trying to kill for 3 years now. I'm on my way down. I'm driving down right now to go see him. He's already dead. He's already hanging. So I don't know. I can't wait to see him in person. This is a. I had one encounter with him, as you guys might see, with Julio a couple weeks ago. It was the only other time I've ever seen him, so this is going to be the second time I've ever seen him in person. I have hundreds of trail cam pictures of him, but just can never figure him out, and I guess Adam was in the right spot at the right time this morning, so I'll see you guys when I'm down there. Well, guys, there's the #1 target buck, the Great 8. Seeing him in person, he's very impressive. He is a great deer. Luckily, there's a lot more deer around here that I could shoot, so there's plenty of hunting still left to do. But it's one hell of a deer right there. I just killed a stud. Oh my God, I just killed a stud. Holy. Oh my God, I love November. I love November. Oh, I don't even know what just happened. Oh my God. Obviously, I didn't get any of it in film. Oh my God. So I'm sitting here. It's 7:46. That buck that I just shot was the 11th deer I've seen this morning. That was the third different buck. It's just been an insane morning. I'll take you guys off and I'll show you. So he was behind me back here. I heard him walking. And then I kind of looked back, and right there, that log that's right here, that's right, this log right here, he was rocking right behind that at like 15, 20 yards maybe. And he's a stud. I wish I could have got it on film, but oh my goodness. I love November. Gun season. This is my first sit with a gun after sitting with a bow. It feels nice to have a shotgun in my hand, I can tell you that for sure. I'll probably sit up here for a couple more minutes, and I'll probably hop down and go look at them, and then my dad and the whole crew's here again, so I wish Jack was here. But I'll see you guys when I'm on the ground. I found him. Ah, dark rack. God, what a beautiful animal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 pointer. What a nice deer. Oh my goodness. I'll probably go back and get the rest of the guys and then come back out and do a proper interview, but that's always one hell of a sight. That's all I can say.
Damn, dude. Talk to me. What are you thinking? What are you feeling?
I don't know, man. Overwhelmed is what I'm feeling. God, I'm beyond blessed. This is just a stud of a deer. You know, when you turn around and look back at 15 yards and this is what's standing there, you get pretty excited. Never had any history with this deer. Just first time seeing him, and yeah, no doubter for me, that's for sure.
So what you're saying is just put time in the tree and you never know what's going to happen?
Definitely. This time of year, you never know what's going to happen. Sweet November. They call it sweet for a reason. Because stuff like this. Deer show up that you've never seen, and it can happen anytime, anywhere. You just got to be in the woods. Yeah, look at that brow. That's a nice brow.
Yeah, that's a freaking slammer of a brow. Look at that.
Broke off this G4 a little bit.
What is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. God, that's six. That's 6 side.
I wish I didn't break this little point off.
Taxidermists can fix them. But I mean, this side's just as equally as cool.
Right, with a little
like
flyer drop.
Like you almost want him having a matching side to this side, but at the same time, this side's so freaking gnarly.
Right.
Why don't you come see him?
I found him, man.
What does he say? Didn't go 20.
Didn't go 20.
I mean, I had to pass them. I'm lying out of my teeth.
Would have been really good next year.
Oh, God, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
What do you think, Dad?
Dandy. It's a nice buck.
You killed the next world record.
What do you think?
think I taught him well. It helps when you go out in the morning.
It does. This is what happens when you wake up in the morning, I guess.
Tagged up.
Fairly good.
Does peaches taste like peaches?
Tastes good right now. I can
Sweet
tell you that.
peaches.
Damn right. Did you show him a picture of the
Nice job,
CD?
buddy.
Yeah, I think they did.
That's sweet.
So he was right over there by that thing over there. We were right here.
the food plot.
I was right there. I was gonna shoot right there from there, and he came around, so I went there. To there.
Yeah, he was right in here.
He was right in here.
Yep.
Yeah, he was in here. He was like back there.
So then where'd he go from when you shot him? He came over here?
I thought he did.
So yeah, he was like right here probably to start.
Then he heard
Then
something.
then he kind of saw us fidgeting around. You were trying to get your gun up. Then he snorted and ran up here.
I think he's right here. Yeah, this is where he was because he has his tracks. I think those are his tracks.
And he ran up here.
He was right in here when you shot him somewhere? A little further.
Somewhere right in here.
Somewhere right in here.
No. He's up here. What's the blood there?
Alright.
There he is, dead right there.
Yeah. All right, there
There he is over the log.
Oh, it's
He's
water.
down.
Wait, I just on the video.
Nice jack. That's sick.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah, he's small, but he'll do.
he's a dandy.
Yeah.
Sweet
Jeez.
jack.
I shot him right in here. Jesus, I blew right through his
6 pointer?
body.
Look
Holy.
at brow tine.
Look at that. Rich is gonna like that.
Yeah, look at that. I blew right through him.
Perfect shot.
Jeez.
Oh, jeez.
Jack
Smoked him.
Smash City.
Jack.
He's right here. I blew right through him.
Perfect shot.
Look at that, Jack.
Jeez.
What is he, Jack?
6.
6.
6.
It's a 6. Yeah.
Nice brows.
Yeah. What do you think of that, Jack?
I love this.
God, what a shot, Jack.
Oh, it went
Right?
right there.
Right behind the shoulder. That'll do.
He's huge.
Yeah, big deer.
Big. For a 6, he's huge. And he's got brown tines.
Do you want to do an interview for Cole?
Truly? Yeah, sure. Hey guys, it's November 22nd, 2024.
I think it's 23rd.
23rd of 2024, and I shot this buck at about 7:45 a.m. and he ran up, he was down there, and he came up here and he landed over this log. So, and it's my first ever buck. So it's I'm very thankful to get this buck, and yeah, thank you for giving me your life for some meat. So yeah, we're gonna make some deer steaks out of this.
Yes, we are. Great job, Jack.
Thank you. This one's going bad.